Do you like to crochet? No? Then this probably isn't the channel for you. Hello and welcome to Skein Spider. I'm Lee, and here on this channel we turn strings into things. So if you're interested in amigurumi tutorials, we're going to begin round 1 by putting 6 single crochet in a magic circle. Watching someone fumble their way through their first crochet clothing project, and I'm actually wondering at this stage if my sleeves are going to be a little bit too big. Spending what's shaping up to be several years on one Pokemon blanket, because I want this bloody Pokemon blanket with the occasional crochet challenge thrown in. Turns out I hate it. Well, it's YouTube, you know what to do. And if you do happen to smash all the potentially smashable buttons, thank you, first of all, welcome, and I will see you in the next video.